A student asked me to solve linear equations. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, guys, there are three things. If you know these, solving these equations is just a piece of cake. The first thing you need to know, if you see 3x, 3k, 5a, this means 3 times x, 3 times k, 5 times a. This is easy, isn't it? This is important. The second thing you need to know is we do the opposite. How do we solve? We do the opposite. The opposite of what? If it's plus, we do minus. If it's times, we do divide. If it's division, we multiply. So we do the opposite. And the third thing you need to know, we get rid of plus or minus first, and then we get rid of division and multiplication. So you get rid of these first, and then you get rid of this. So let's apply this knowledge. Now, on the first question, there is 3 times x plus 5 equals 17. So we get rid of the plus first by doing minus 5 on both sides. This cancels. On the left side, you have just 3x, which is 3 times x equal 17 minus 5 is 12. Now we can get rid of the 3 by doing the opposite of multiplication. 3 times x is multiplication, so we divide by 3. Now this 3 is gone, pi, and then we have x equal 12 divided by 3 is 4. That's it. It's just the steps. You follow it, you are never getting it wrong. Now look at the next question here. We get rid of the minus first by doing the opposite of minus, which is plus 5 plus 5. This is cancelled. On the left side now, you have only 3x equal 10 plus 5 is 15. We get rid of the 3 by dividing by 3. Divide by 3, so the 3 is cancelled. You will end up having x equal 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now, this is your turn. Try this one. Do minus 8 first, and then divide by negative 2, and comment your answer. That's all for this video. Bye.